Good morning, grade 4s. Today we are going to be finding out how to share with fractions. So as you can see, I have got one example at the top of our page. It says find 1/5 of 15 marbles. Do you see I've drawn a little bag of my 15 marbles in the bag? Now, let's think carefully. If we've got to find 1/5 of the 15 marbles, if we think about the fractions we've already been doing, if we see the denominator, what does the denominator say to us? It says to us that this group or this object has been divided into, that's right, 5 pieces. So now we're going to be sharing then. We're going to share the 15 marbles. We're going to share them by 5. Let's start there and do that first. Okay, so let us put here 15. We're going to divide by 5 because, remember, our denominator is 5. So that's why we're going to divide by 5. And then we're going to see how many marbles there are in 1/5 of 15. Right. Now we know our tables. So when the numbers are so small like this, we just use our tables very nicely like this. All right. So we say 15 divided by 5, and we know what times 5 equals 15? Of course, yes, it's 3. So now we know that the answer to the first one is that 1/5 of 15 marbles is, in fact, 3. And we'll write marbles. 3 marbles. There we go. Now we're ready for our second example. Okay, so now we're going to do example number 2. Now at example number 2, they have asked us to find 1/4 of 24 passengers on a bus. So if we are going to try and find 1/4, we need to look at our quarter and see what number they've been divided into as a fraction. How many pieces are we going to make? Can you see we're going to make 4 pieces because we look at our denominator. So that makes it very easy. We're going to then divide by, that's right, by 4. So we're going to say 24 passengers divided by 4. And that then is going to give us, let's think of our tables again. We know that 4 times what is 24? That's right, it's 4 times 6 is 24. So now we know that there will be then in 1/4 of the 24 passengers, there will be 6 passengers. So let's just write passengers. So then we know that it's 6 passengers we're talking about. And then we have answered our question, which was to find 1/4 of 24 passengers on a bus. So we shared the passengers into 4 pieces and we got 6. If you look at my diagram, we could have actually checked it like that. We can divide it into 4 pieces. Can you see? For those that like to see the thing actually in front of them, can you see that there are my 4 pieces? I can do that as well, and I can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each group. You will see there are 6 passengers. So now I want you to go and do the examples in your lesson, and I hope you enjoy them. Do them in the same way. Just write your number sentence like I've done here. Of course, this is a number sentence right over here, and then you write the answer. And the top one was also, that's your number sentence and the answer. And if you wish to draw a diagram to help you, you may do that as well. But remember to write your number sentence. And have fun now sharing with fractions today.